We going to buy a truck, bud, or what? Woo!
Oh, yeah. Go, come on.
So we are over here in, what is this Bountiful or Woods Cross?
Woods Cross.
Woods Cross, Utah. Okay, it's like the homestead. And we are at Hoskins Trucks, and they are pretty good friends of Bud's. So if you don't know Bud's job title at the shop, he pretty much runs every single errand that we have. So he knows everyone in town. So I have been saying, I want a truck. And also, these guys are brothers to Keaton that we work with at the shop. Kind of work with, you know, whatever. He doesn't do much work, but but anyways, Bud's like tired of me saying I want a truck because first of all, I'm trading the Jeep in. Goodbye, Jeep. Goodbye. Because it is so freaking impractical. It's not even funny. And I'm tired of borrowing people's trucks to pull my trailer because the Kodiak's still blown up. And I'm tired of not being able to fit my dog and a bag of groceries in the back of this thing. So trading it in,
About time.
just going for it. It's literally about time. It's been way too long.
Yes.
And Mama needs another truck. So anyways, Bud's like, let's go up here. He's like, let's go up here. Let's see what they got, see what they can do. So they've been awesome to work with. And today is the day picking up the new truck. So let's go. They have all kinds of cool stuff. This thing sounds mean. I bet it's fast. This flatbed though. Never mind. Change my mind. No, I need a functional bed. I mean, that's nice though. It's an XL with leather in it, Bud.
Yeah. It's not leather. It's
It's leather, whatever.
leather, vinyl.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's vinyl, Lacey.
Pretty nice.
That's not leather.
Oh, it's
that's
open.
Vinyl. That's
Yeah,
vinyl.
but
that is not.
what are they,
leather.
just seat covers? Yeah, but it's nice. It's nicer than just like cloth.
Yeah.
So anyways, one thing that I liked most about these guys, so Chase is the one that's been helping us out. I have literally drove to Texas to pick up trucks before and been like, hey, can you send me some pictures or videos of any body damage or like little dings, scratches, or anything that it has? Because clearly used vehicles aren't going to be perfect. I don't expect them to be. I just don't want to be surprised. So I've literally flown to Texas and then came home with a truck that looks like it's been totaled before, but I still bought it because I wanted it. And we literally walk right up on a truck, and he, before he tells us the good, he points out the flaws. And I'm like, I like that about him. So seems like good people to work with for sure. All right, let's go, bud. You gonna finish that cig? We got Alec back there. I can't zoom in on the front camera, but he's gonna get some cinematic shots for you guys, because what I've noticed in the comments is that you guys like my bootleg iPhone videos better than professional vlogs. So
if you do, then tell us.
if you do, just tell us. Yeah. Because I'm tired of wasting money if you don't like the videos. So he's back there. He's gonna get like some cinematic shots of all the sick trucks that are here and just kind of add a little bit to the video. But let us know what you like the best. If you like the more professional cinematic videos and where people are following me around, blah blah blah, or do you like me just talking to my iPhone and my shoddy editing? Let me know. Anyways, oh wow.
What are you looking for, Lacey? I know.
Oh my god, but I already have single wheel American Forces
Yeah.
that I need to use because they're not going on the Jeep Willys anytime soon. So I kind of need a single wheel. I like all of the trucks, really.
I know, but what's your preference?
Well, I'm kind of thinking of Ford, but that blue Dodge down there is kind of cool. And I don't so much care about color because I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna have VinylWorks wrap it. So, ooh, look at this Dodge. Is that a mega cab dually? Oh my god.
That is a mega cab dually.
Oh, I love those.
I know, but didn't you just say you already have wheels to go on it?
Oh, I just love dualies, but I need to not. Because they already say that they're 2616s. I didn't tell them that yet.
No,
Okay.
you haven't.
So this is going to have to be a big old gal. We're going to have to put more than just a leveling kit on it. But I like how all these, like, pretty much everything they sell is already leveled with wheels and tires on it. So it's really nice for someone that doesn't want to do, like, a whole truck build.
Right.
They already have them clean and nice, but practical, you know. But I'm going to impractical it up with, like, an 8 to 10 inch lift. So whatever. But
8 to 10 inch lift. But You said something about a flatbed a minute ago. The one we looked at over here. What
Yeah.
about this 3500? Nah, not feeling it. Not feeling it, Lacey. Is that like more grandpa style?
I mean, it has potential. Everything has potential, but I'm not really digging it. I kind of want something newer. Like if I was gonna go with the Duramax, I'd go with this body style.
Like the ultra new style?
Yeah, the newer ones. Not the new, but the last from new. I
Yeah,
really can't
the
afford
last
newer
generation.
ones, but yeah. There's a long bed here that one day. Is this it or not?
Lariat.
Yeah.
It's a Lariat.
Oh, I think I seen Keaton post this one today. It's nice. They always have good deals.
Lacey, what about not new but not old?
Yeah? I mean, I love these, don't get me wrong.
11 to 16.
Yeah. I really want an Illuma Duty though. Okay. Because realistically, they're not that much difference on price. They're really not.
No, they're not.
So
If
years.
you wanted a budget, 6,
Right.
7,
It's true.
11 to 16. Great.
Yeah.
Awesome truck. But yet,
But for a little bit more, you can get the whole newer body style.
yeah, which,
And then you're balling. Oh, is this a mega cab too?
yes.
Ugh. I hate fender flares, but dang. Love me a mega cab. And this year in body style, I don't even care. I'd roll with that for sure. But I think I should get something newer just so it's more practical. Ooh, this one's running. Listen to her purr. I really like this color. I've been kind of digging the new body style Dodges lately. It's kind of sick. This Duramax sweet.
Yeah, just sold it. It's being shipped off to North Dakota.
Oh, that's
Got
awesome.
it sold.
Super clean.
Sold. God. Sold.
They don't last long around here, do they?
Nope. This one sold in 4 hours.
That's crazy. What do you think, Alec?
I honestly think you should get the Yukon. Like, there's nothing on the lot that beats that. Nothing at all.
Is this the platinum one?
Oh yeah.
I really like this one.
Like, she's beautiful.
But she's no Yukon.
She's number 2 for sure. She's still down.
I love charcoal gray. I mean, the Jeep's charcoal gray, so clearly. I love the inside of platinums too.
You want to go check out the interior?
Oh, yeah, for sure. I wonder if it's on there. Oh, heck yeah. Really nothing beats platinum interior, honestly.
No. King Ranch, but the brown.
Yeah, King Ranch.
The brown throws me
sometimes has
off.
it beat. Yeah, I sometimes like the brown, but I'm feeling black, I think.
Oh.
This is sweet.
That is clean.
So I was kind of thinking about getting an XLT and then just putting like leather seat covers on it and then like the iPad dash and all of that. But then it's like for resale value, it's still an XLT no matter what it has done to it. So if I got this one, it's already nice on the inside. I kind of really like it. Sweet. Does it have a gooseneck hitch already? Oh, yeah, it does. Heck yeah, she's ready to do some work. I don't love the wheels and tires, but I'm gonna change those anyways and make it huge. So taillights are nice.
Ooh.
Yeah, I like those.
We couldn't interest you in that Toyota right there?
I don't think that'll hold a gooseneck. What do you think? Going to get the truck.
What is it, Lacey?
It's the platinum. That old girl
That old girl
for this old
for
girl.
this old girl. So tell us a little bit about it, Lacey.
2017. Cause you know we got a ball in a budget, okay? We got the new body style, but the oldest year. That's always how I roll, okay? Black leather on the inside, super nice. I gotta put this on for it.
Yeah, you got to put that on, Lacey. We'll get that on in a
We
minute.
got a key and a spare key because we're really balling.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Dude, but hold on. One thing about it though, Lacey, one thing that your Jeep didn't have is it does have electric start.
Oh, it does?
Well, yeah.
Oh my god.
Come on now.
So fancy.
Do you have a wrench to put that on, Lacey, or a screwdriver?
At the shop.
Hmm.
I'm just gonna screw them in here for now. Just like hand tight.
But Lacey, why are you putting 26 by what, 14s on it?
26, 16.
16s?
Because I already have them.
But you have wheels already.
I don't like those much though.
So then what?
Use those American Forces.
So then what are we gonna do with them? We're gonna put them on BWT?
The BWT.
Bud's work truck?
If you want.
The BWT. Yeah, I mean, yeah, they're way better than the rock stars. The
Hey, easy.
those look good,
Let's.
same look pattern. I mean.
So what are you gonna do with it, Lacey? Or is that up in the air yet?
No, so I'm gonna use the 26 16s for sure. So we'll have to do at least an 8-inch lift. I'm gonna try to keep it at 8. Cause
Are you gonna be able to get in it, shorty?
yeah, it's got steps. It came with the platinum. The platinum has its steps.
Well, no, I understand that, but that's still gonna be 8 more inches up.
Well, the
Are we gonna have to put
Escalade
Are we gonna have to put double steps in?
was, no. The
Oh, okay.
Escalade was lifted 15 inches on 44s, so I think I can handle it.
Okay,
But, so
okay.
I think I want to do like 37. If I can fit 38, that's what I'm gonna do. On an 8-inch lift, because I don't want it crazy tall, because I still want it practical. Still want to be able to haul with it.
Does it have a gooseneck?
Yes, it has a gooseneck. I checked that already.
Okay.
So basically, like the wheel bearings, we're just gonna say bye to.
Yeah.
Every
So
time I
we're just
haul
gonna.
something, but
You're gonna buy stock in Ford, so you
Yeah.
can just
yeah.
make your money back with.
Practical. Okay. So except for, I was thinking it's never gonna fit in a drive-through again once I get a hold of it. So during this whole Corona Land thing where you can only go through drive-throughs, I'm probably gonna keep it like this for a minute. So maybe the first thing I do is wrap it.
What are we wrapping it? Or you're not sure
I
yet?
want to do some two-tone, maybe some glitter, I don't know. I like the charcoal. So I think I want to color match some things. The charcoal gray Damon, I'll call him about that. And maybe like, I don't know, there's a really pretty like silver glitter color that 3M has that I think would be sick. So, I don't know.
So what, are they staying tuned to find out what we're gonna actually come
they
down
gotta
on?
Stay tuned, man. Build process going down. Even though every time I buy something, I'm like, oh, stay tuned for the build. But this is top on the priority list now,
Rip
for real.
dent side.
What?
Rip dent
Yeah,
side.
RIP to the dent side, but it's still drivable.
So,
We're gonna
so
do the
my
daily
question
road
is,
first.
now that you bought a new truck, what are we doing with the Kodiak? Are we still in the air?
Kodiak, Jubilees, Camaro, dent side.
Well, no. She bought the
Yeah,
Platinum.
So I got this. Well, just because it's gonna be
Usually-
way too long before Andrew can do a motor swap on it. So update on that. I don't know if I told the channel, but it needs a whole new motor. So I'm tired of waiting. So I got a new daily.
A practical daily.
A practical daily.
For now.
Most people's
Until we throw
practical
26s on it.
dailies are just left stock, and American Forces on giant this with a wheel.
And that's the kind of negativity we don't need in our
No, we don't.
Oh.